Select one of the phone. Long press the power button to start it. After selecting the language, easily pair with Wi-Fi networks via QR code or on-screen interface. Choose Quick Wi-Fi connection. Scan the QR code using your iOS or Android device. For Android system, swipe down the taskbar. Find the scanner and open it. If the QR code scanner icon doesn't appear in your taskbar, tap Add Taskbar Configuration. Find Scanner and add it. Then swipe down the taskbar again to open the scanner. For iOS device, swipe down from the top right edge to open Control Center. Open Scan Code. Scan the QR code to connect to the configuration hotspot. On the automatically redirected network configuration page, enter the SSID name and password to complete the configuration. After completing all the startup preparations, you will enter the main interface.